Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video after 1 month, 2 months. And this video is, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of all my projects that I have made in this long holiday of mine. So yeah, for let's start with the fact why was I away. The main reason in being away for such a long period of time was I was in my village. I had to attend my brother's wedding. That's why I was not able to make videos in my village, obviously. And when I had decided that as soon as I came to Delhi, I will make a video, and I did do it. But my video was not being made properly. I didn't like my video at that moment. I was thinking that they are not too good at this moment. So I thought that I'm going to make this video for the fourth time. Yeah, this is my fourth time making a video. And if anybody of you are wondering that why am I not using a PowerSoft screen recorder, I have changed to my screen recorder and now I'm using ShareX. So let's start with the first point, that what did I do in such a long holiday? Because I must have done something, or else this holiday was just a waste. So I actually have done something, like if I go in my project and then open my yeah, wait, there it is. Okay, I can find a folder. Okay, so actually there's some problem right now and I can't find it. I will meet you when I have found my folder. Let's go open. Okay everybody, I have found my project after a long search, and it is right in my HTML coding, this India. Okay. So this is my whole folder. I am going to open everything except the images. So this is not an image, not an image, not an image, not an image. I am going to open it all. Yeah, so everything is open now, and this is my project that I made. So let's open it in a default view. Let's scroll. So let it open, and then I will show you that what was I doing. So you can think this is a website on a digital tour of India. The title is Digital Tour of India, and the heading is India, a guide to my country. If I am an Indian, if you didn't know already, and so this is a website on my country guide. So let's start. India has many tourist sites. Yeah, seriously, many tourist sites. This website will show you some of the tourist sites and their location. Now this is a map, Indian map, and then this is my home village place, Uttarakhand. So this is where I went for the wedding, attending for the wedding, and then yeah, I live in New Delhi. If you don't know, then there's Taj Mahal. This is the first site of Indian tourism. Let's start the first site, which is the famous Taj Mahal. It is famous in India. So video related to Taj Mahal. Now you might be wondering how did I add this video? It is pretty simple first. So I'm going to go in my Taj Mahal HTML, and you can see there's a link iframe width is equal to src, and then there's a YouTube link. And now don't just I'm going to show everything of the code, and now just don't copy paste the code that I'm showing and paste in your video. You will not get a video. You will not get your video. You will only get this Agra video. I will tell you how to add videos and map. The map and video are pretty similar to add in the next video, where I'm going to explain you how I made this website, and I'm going to teach you to make it. So I'm just going to give you a brief overview in this video. Yeah, the location of Taj Mahal on the map. See below, this is below. So you can see that there's a tomb in between. That's this part of Taj Mahal, the upper part, and then there's 4 extra tomb here, and there. Those are the pillars. And then there's a lot more, but I don't want to explain them. Now there's a button of facts. Click here, and I should probably tell you that these are buttons. These things, and this is also a button. And if I go in my home page, then these 3 are also buttons. Now if I go in my home, new one, and so there is these buttons. Now I will tell you all about these also, but I am just going to brief overview right now. There is a link the hyperlink है which links the Taj Mahal HTML to that button, and then as soon as someone clicks the button, it opens the Taj Mahal. It's just like that whenever you press or open a button in your switchboard or home, then the light comes. It's just like that. So this is all the three buttons for three pages, and then now if I go on Taj Mahal once more, then there's a facts, click here, and now if I click it, what will happen? It changed the text. It was commissioned in 1632, Taj Mahal. Okay, so I'm just going to do one change. Okay, no, I will run it. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his favorite wife, Mumtaz Mahal. So this is, and if I click it once more, it changes to facts. So this all is done by the help of JavaScript. No CSS, no HTML, just JavaScript. Like if I go in my tajmahal.html page, then there's a button which has an ID. All of the normal buttons don't have any ID. They just have a hyperlink. But this one has an ID, and the ID is facts. And then that facts click here. Then I have linked a JavaScript. JS.js stands for .javascript. There the script source is equal to new1.javascript. And then if I go in my new1.javascript, there is const button, btn stands for button, is equal to document dot get element by id facts. So now this is JavaScript words and commands are pretty explainable. Like you can the word is dot get element by id. That means get an element by the id facts, and you know that the button id is facts, so it will choose the button as the id, as the element. Then there's the id return. If the id was Akshat was the id, then Akshat.add event listener. If the fact is, then facts.event listener. So now there's facts.add event listener, which means that on the id of on the element facts, if we have added an event listener, and that as soon as someone clicks, like clicking is also an event on your computer. So event listener click. That means that whenever someone clicks, it execute the command if button dot inner text. Now this means that if the button has the text inside it, it was commissioned, the fact is inside the button, then it will, as soon as somebody clicks, it will change to facts. But if it is not inside there, then it will stay, it will change to it was the fact that I wrote. So this is how it works. It is pretty complicated, but it is also pretty easy. It's both. But in the next video, it will be super easy when I teach you. Now if I go back in home, and then there's Hawa Mahal. So if I go Hawa Mahal, then there's the second site you have to go and visit is Hawa Mahal in Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, not Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is a monument in Jaipur, which is the capital of Rajasthan. This place is special because it is made out of 953 windows. Yeah, that's a lot. And it took 4 million Indian rupees, and in dollar it took 62,317. That's expensive. This video will explain you a little more. I don't know that is there supposed to be any other zero in the 62,317. I didn't really properly convert it in dollars, I think. So I'm going to go ahead. Location on the map. The location on the map is here, and the video is here. And there's a click here fact. Once more, if you click a fact, Hawa Mahal is a palace in Jaipur, India, approximately 300 kilometers from the capital city. Hawa Mahal, by there, was a fort at that time. It was used as a fort. And if I click it once again, it changes to facts. That also is done by JavaScript, but this time the ID is the. I don't know why, but I named the ID the. And then if I go in new to, then there is the code. It is the same code, but only some things are exchanged. Like this is exchanged, and then these three facts are exchanged. These three. So not too much is changed. I just copy pasted it. Then if I go back in the home page, and then Red Fort. The Red Fort or Lal Killa is a historic fort in Old Delhi. Yeah, it is 1638. It is 400th century old. Delhi in India that served as the main residence of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. commissioned construction of the Red Fort on 12 May 1638, when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi. So he shifted his capital, the location and everything. You need to. There are over one. How much is this? It's a 100. There are 1 lakh or 100,000 reviews. This is India counting, so that's why there's a comma in 1 and 24. If it was international, then it would be 100,000. And then there's a facts button. Now I will show you something interesting. There's a video and a map. But this time you might have noticed that the video is not on top. Inside, side to side, they are. I'm just so that was happening just because of the fact that this time I have not added the break tag. Like if I add the break tag, then it will just change. It will be side. It will be bottom order. Like just check out. See, so it is now bottom order. And the BR or break that I just typed BR, it means that there will be a line in the between, so that they won't be side to side. But I want them to be side to side, so that's why I didn't change it. Then there is this facts. Click here. Now, okay, first I'll reload the. Yeah, so now the facts again. Pay attention to this position. Okay, it is right now on the left side. As soon as I click it, it is now up on covering the whole screen. But that's not the point. It took 10 long years to build the Red Fort, but 10 years, Ustad Ahmed and Ustad Hamid and Ustad Ahmed, the pioneering artist of Shahjahan time, started the construction in 1638 and finally completed in 1648. But now after the cricket, it goes from here to there. Why? Now, I think I also didn't discover the reason pretty well, but I think if I add a break in here and then refresh the page, and then it will change the position here, and then if I click, then it should stay on the right position. Okay, see, so it stays on that one. On every other single page, I have added the break tag. Okay. Here I have added an H3 in between, so that's why it does not get affected. The H3 and break didn't do the same work. Instead, in the break, there is no typing, but in H3 you need to type it. That's it. I will explain this later. Let's go back to Red Fort. Yeah, so if the break was the important part. But now, for these, I'm going to show you. In Taj Mahal only, I am going to return to Taj Mahal, the main page of Taj Mahal. Yeah, so you see that the home button is on the top, so that everybody knows that there is a home here. But this was not as easy as it looks. For doing this, I pondered a lot that how can I put the home button on top. Because when I added this command, then it was coming like here in the bottom. So for that, I linked the style sheet new one.css, and then I went down and then typed this command dot button home in CSS dot button home position relative. Like if I just remove this command and then save it, the home button will disappear. It will go right there, and I didn't want that. So that's why I had to put a lot of brain, and finally I figured out the command. So it's dot means that it is not an PH3 like a syntax like this. Instead, it's a button. Like I have typed button dot button home. And now why are you wondering? If you are wondering that why I have typed dot button home, not just single button. Well, if I go in here, I have added a class of button home. So the name of this button is button home in a class. Yeah, it's confusing. Then I've added this, and then it should be left 1000 pixel and top minus 1250 pixel position relative. So this is a lot of maths and science and physics and everything in the world. So I finally figured out, and I'm so happy about that. Then this is the background, and now I will I'll close this and show you my other website. First I have to close everything in it. So I have made 2 websites in this break, and they two are awesome. What do you think about the website? Please type it in the comment. I think my websites are totally cool. I love it. And then now I need to show you my back page and front page. The back page HTML, back page CSS, and then I did new one where okay, new one. So now if you see, there's a lot of code, and I will open it in default view straight away so that you don't have to waste your time. Now, this I want the first thing I want to say is the background color. The background color is light green. If you didn't know, this is like this, and it looks so good. Like it is just the best color, light green. I love it. Then there is I have this is my magazine on eating well and staying well. There is a magazine of good health, including many useful diet tips which can increase/decrease your diet. And for decrease, I mean like if you eat a lot, then it can decrease, and if you eat a very low, then it can increase. So there's that, and then eating with the title, and then this is the subtitles image, and then here is the vertical text in cooperation by Food and Wellbeing NGO. Then there's a button of back page, and be ready because back page is not that great. Yeah, it's just a text. The only thing that makes this page good is the background. Only that. There's nothing else good in this page. So now I will show you the CSS and all of that. There's CSS for the main page, H3, H1. Now there's vertical. I mean, yeah. So H4 the corporation part was writing mode or vertical RL. That's right, vertical. Then back page, I just in CSS in back page of CSS, I just added 4 lines of code, and HTML back page. So many. I have added doc type HTML on back page but not on front page for some reason. So this is my website, main website. I will give you a tutorial on the India just like within 1 week, okay, within 1 week. And the magazine, I will give you in I think 1 week and 3 days. So this is not a promise. I might be late because I might be late. I am very late at doing work. So I think I will say goodbye now. Thank you for listening to my chit chat and goodbye.